Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Honda NC750X. This one's got the dual clutch 6-speed automatic transmission, twin cylinder 700, very fuel efficient. It's got that exclusive storage compartment in front of the seat. Put a full-size helmet in there. Only 2,800 miles on this gorgeous NC750. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.